Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and if you can see little ears peeking up, here's Dexter, and welcome to my January 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium unboxing. I am so excited about this. This is my first beauty subscription box that I'm getting for 2022. And there are many more coming. So I'm subscribed to both BOXYCHARM boxes and both Ipsy Glam bags. So if you like seeing beauty subscription unboxings, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I think those should be getting here soon. I think I've gotten email notifications that all have shipped now. But so I love the premium box. It is $39.99 a month though, which is expensive, but I typically am really excited about the products that I get in this box, so I'm so excited to see what I have in this box here. I've got some product information here so that I can add up the total retail value. So that's something I really love about BOXYCHARM is that you always get full-size products. And looks like there are a lot of goodies in here. So first, I'm going to pull out this beautiful looking palette. This is from Aether Beauty and it's the Desert Sunset palette. So along with my beauty subscription box unboxings, I also have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I will be doing full dedicated review and tutorial videos on all of the makeup products that I get in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM and any beauty subscription boxes. So I'm so excited to try this one out. It looks beautiful. Let's see what these shades look like. Oh, I love the neutral tones and the sparkle. I think this will be really fun to play with. And Aether Beauty is a brand that I have not tried out too many products from, but definitely a brand that I am happy to try out more from. And so this Aether Beauty Desert Sunset palette retails for $48. Ooh, I like how the product information gives descriptions of different skincare or product ingredients that are good for you and your routine. So I'm excited to learn more about those. Next up, a product from Persona. Ooh, and this is a lip liner. I love lip liners and I'm excited to try this one out because I tried out the Persona eyeliner that I got last month and it was actually incredible. So I'm really excited to get to try out another product from Persona and a product that's pretty similar. So it looks like I got this in the shade 90210, which I'm thinking is going to be kind of like a burgundy shade like this, which is different than what I typically have in lip liners. Next up, I have, oh my gosh, a Cover FX product. Oh, I'm so excited to see the brand Cover FX in here. Oh, which reminds me, I forgot to tell you the retail value on the Persona Cosmetics lip liner is $14. But Cover FX, in my opinion, is an expensive brand. So I have here the Custom Enhancer palette. Oh my gosh. 2 palettes in one box. This is shaping up to be a fantastic box. I love the Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. So let's see what this palette is like. Wow, this has a really cool feel to it. It's kind of like a sticky plastic. Very different. Pretty. It's a highlighter palette with 3 very shimmery looking shades. I like this packaging a lot. So it's really hard, but I am going to resist swatching this and trying this out yet because like I said, I will be trying this out in a dedicated video very soon. And let's see what the retail value is. Okay, yeah. On the Cover FX Custom Enhancer palette, it retails for $42, which for a 3-pan highlighter palette is definitely pricey in my opinion, but I am so excited to have this and so excited to try it out. Ooh, next up, from the brand LYS Beauty, Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. That seems unique. With 5% niacinamide and AHA, Pore and Shine Control. So I love serums and I love primers. So this kind of 2-in-1 sounds awesome to me. And I love this packaging. The pink packaging and this cool triangle shape to it. I am really into this. This is awesome. Yeah, it says, apply a thin layer to skin following moisturizer, wear alone or with makeup. I love trying out primers, so I can't wait to see how this is. Cruelty-free, vegan. Yay! That's like a unique, different type of product, which I am so excited to see. And I love that every product I've pulled out right now is a makeup product that I can feature in my series, and I definitely prefer to get makeup products over any other type of product in my beauty subscription boxes. So I'm loving this so far. Let's see, the retail value on the LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer is $20. That actually does not seem overly expensive in my opinion for a product that's both a serum and a primer. So I'm really excited about that. Ooh, another really nice brand that I think is going to be expensive. This is LYS Beauty, the Organic Solution Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. So I was just saying how I prefer to get makeup, and if I'm going to get skincare, a mask honestly is way at the bottom of my list on the type of skincare products that I want to get. However, pores is definitely a skin concern of mine, so pore refining mask sounds really great for me, and I do like the brand LYS Beauty. So I'm definitely kind of drowning in masks. Maybe I shouldn't even open this yet, but it does sound like a great product for me, so I am excited to use this. I think it will be really beneficial for my skin. So the LYS Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask retails for $36. It says, clear and hydrate your skin at the same time with this pore refining mask. Help protect against maskne with bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay to help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliating polyhydroxy acids for a softer, smoother complexion. And my last product in here, this is BareMinerals. I don't think I've ever gotten a BareMinerals product in a beauty subscription box, and I've barely tried out any BareMinerals products actually, and I've been really wanting to because I've heard so many good things. And so what I have here is the Original Mineral Veil, which is in Original Translucent. And this is probably one of the more like hyped up products. So this is so exciting to get. Wow. I'm so excited to try this out, see if it's worth the hype. And the BareMinerals Original Mineral Veil Loose Setting Powder retails for $27. Wow. I am so excited about this box. I love that I got 5 makeup products, 1 skincare product that I'm actually really excited to use. So this is seriously a great assortment of products that I feel like are really well curated to my taste, which is what I really look for in these beauty subscription boxes when I'm spending so much money on them every month. But I also feel like I got some high-end products where I probably got some great value in this box. So I will do a quick recap and let you know that total retail value. So I got the LYS Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask, the Persona Lip Liner, the Aether Beauty Desert Sunset Palette, the BareMinerals Setting Powder, the LYS Beauty Serum Primer, and the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Palette. And that brings me to a total retail value of $187. That is incredible. I love the brands that I got in this box. I love the range of products. Wow, I'm so excited about this. If you've tried any of these products, please let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. But I am so happy with my first beauty subscription box of the year. So fingers crossed the rest of the boxes that are coming to me this month I'm also gonna love. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.